Okay, so basically what we have here is we disassembled this seat position sensor, and I've replaced the clutch in it. The clutch mechanism on these is very poor, made of acetyl plastic, and it breaks. So it now has the new clutch in it, and we're just showing you here that as I turn this by hand, we're getting up to its correct rated higher resistance and which is about 45K. And look, I keep turning it, and it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Nothing. I mean, it's not proceeding any further until I go the opposite direction. And now we're coasting back down towards 0, which is its correct range. And look, I keep turning it, and it's not going any further. That's what the clutch is about. It's designed to slip when it gets to the end of its calibration, and therefore it is self-adjusting or self-calibrating. So yeah, it works great, and we're shipping it. Thank you. That's